Oh, welcome back, everyone. This is WTI. I don't know why I used to introduce WTI to you, even though you're gonna see the name of the asset here and on the screen as well. The flashy display of text. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So this is where we have on WTI currently. This particular asset or commodity, as the case may be, is proven to be extremely stubborn, right? It's proven to be extremely stubborn. And I'm very sure majority of us saw this breakout yesterday during the CPI data release, okay, which actually came shorter anyways, came shorter than expected. And that is actually very good because that is more like what the market was actually expecting, okay, because Fed is expecting a much shorter and a more proactive way of adjusting the economy, and it seems to be working. Okay, they don't want to take a very aggressive way to adjust the economy. You know what happened during COVID? Okay, that was a very aggressive approach, but right now they're taking a more subtle way to reduce the inflation and control the economy, control the rate and everything like that. And it's actually working in a way because all the expectancies, okay, the CPI year on year, the CPI month on month, and the retail sales, everything that was expected kind of came through, and it was actually very good. Okay, everything came shorter, okay, and it was pretty amazing. I just want to chip that in before I continue. So the CPI data came all mixed up, all as expected, but still the market moved. The market make its move. You can see the market dropped down, went back up, right? If you see gold, it did that. You can see this as well, came down and went back up. All right, that means it was all mixed. It was full of sentimental. The movie was actually sentimental. It shouldn't have been made in the first place. People really want to make quick money, and they did make quick money. Some people bought and some people sold. And if you do that, you make quick money, and that's good for you, by the way. But for me, I was waiting for a proper setup. I said I don't trade the news. I don't really like it. I don't like the way it moves. I prefer a more subtle approach, okay, in line with fundamentals, of course, because that's actually the market movers, okay, most of the time. Okay, so it is best to just wait for a proper approach, the proper build up, higher high, higher lows, stuff like this, not the kind of move that will go up, buy here, close here, then start looking for short, and then take a short again, close here. It doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, it's more like I'm vexing and I'm pursuing the market, which I don't really like to do. I prefer a subtle move, a simple higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows, something I can predict, something I can forecast, something I can measure, something like that. Yes, that's where you're gonna find me. So what do we have? We have a range. The range band is still continuing on WTI. As you can see, we're still gonna have to just chill on this note. Okay, yes. So let me quickly explain what I saw yesterday, because I said there was a notification I set here. You can see there is a notification right here at the top. There was a notification here yesterday as well. And when the market broke below the support, the notification got triggered, and immediately I checked it. And then I knew there's news. Definitely, I knew that. And I figured that, okay, that might be the reason why I got notified, and I just relaxed. I relaxed my back, went back to what I was doing, and that was it. Okay, and that was that. Okay, let me clean that stuff. All right, good. So what do we actually have then, or during the news anyways? So I was gonna take the trade, okay, because you can see a couple of candlesticks happen here, okay, something like this. You can see those candlesticks, right? That's that. So we had this bearish candlestick that broke below the support, and then the market just pushed right back in. This green candlesticks, okay, this green candlestick right here, okay, the market just bounced right back in and then closed below here, almost as the same thing that happened right here. And where was that? Right here. The same thing that happened here. Okay, as you can see, the market just went straight back in, and then I saw this red candlesticks that now continues to go down. At this point, when this particular candlestick was running, I was like, maybe I've missed my opportunity, I've missed my chance. But I was like, then I figured I'll just plot my Fibonacci around there. And then the next plan is I would really love to see an actual pullback. Okay, if I don't get to see a retest of this support and market resisting it, then and the market continues to go down, then I'm not going to open the trade. I hope you understand what I mean. What I'm trying to explain is if I don't get to see after this red candlestick, because it was very impressive. The market dipped down heavily. Okay, that was around plus 110, okay, pips overall. Okay, so that was really, really impressive. Believe me. So the plan was I drew my Fibonacci here, then I was expecting the price to go back up to retest the support. The support should resist it, and then I want to see the market continues to go down. That was the plan. I will join a trade right here, put my stop loss around here, and then I will leave happily ever after. Right? But that did not happen. What happened? I waited for like 2 hours. I put a new notification here, and before I could say Papa Jones, right? Boom, I saw the market back into this area. The notification got triggered. It was very fast. It just moved. I was like, oh, thank God I didn't open the trade. It wasn't actually, yeah, it was thank God one. But secondly, it was my patience. I was really patient. It's something I've really learned and mastered the way WTI move, US oil move. It does a lot of fake outs, okay? There's so many fake outs in oil. And if you're an impatient person, if you're an impatient trader, you will actually get yourself entrapped in all of this, and most time it will just kill you and just take your money away from you, and that's not the kind of feeling I want to have in my conscience. So I'd rather just wait to see a proper setup. So right now, after all those story that I just shared with you, I think it is best to say that at this moment, at this point in time, we are still waiting for our proper setup. The same one I explained yesterday. Break, pullback. The market, this resistance supported the price, and then continuation. The other side, which is the flip side, is break below the support, pullback. The support resisted the price, and then you see continuation of the downward move. These are the two places I will take. Okay, why am I gonna buy? Because technically the market is still very bullish. Why am I gonna sell? Technically, in a shorter time frame, the market is pretty bearish. So I don't know if the market will take this daily trend line seriously and continue the bullish move, which I will gladly follow. And if this daily trend line again has been weakened, because you can see all this drama that is happening right here. If this has weakened the buying side of the market, the overall bullish part of the market, then this happens to play out. This is something I would really love to take. Okay, so and all of these happen, and I'm following this. Why? Because of the plan from the higher time frame. You can see this 8-hour time frame, and you can see what is currently happening. So as you can see right here, this is the daily trend line. I'm still going to show you in a much bigger view. All right, but you can see the market has been accumulating right here. Okay, lots and lots of accumulation right here. So a couple of things can happen in a very fast way. Okay, but I don't want it to be fast. Actually, I would like to see an actual break, pullback, then continuation. Probably something like this again, then drop. You can see what happened, right? The market breakout, pull back, then drop. This is something I would personally love to trade. Okay, love to trade, love to take. All right, potato, tomato. So that is one. I would love to see the same thing here. Probably a break, pullback, continuation, or a break, pullback, then continuation. That is gonna be my plan. And right here, although we have a lot of resistance in the buying side of the market, okay, the same thing that happened here that resisted the price from going further and then it dropped. So that might be the same thing here as well, but I'm willing to wait and give it a shot. Okay, I'm willing to wait and give it a shot. But personally, I would love to buy, and at the same time, I would like to sell. But any which way, whatever comes out of this, I'm gonna share with you as it goes, okay? And we're gonna get to enjoy it together. Okay, it's best to just watch the market and follow the momentum, follow how it leads you and where it leads you. Right, so that's the plan on WTI. I'm gonna catch you next time, which is gonna be tomorrow. Have a peaceful and a very good day. Bye for now.